Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. I am starting now by the name of merciful Allah. How are you? I am also fine. I hope everybody is well. Let's go. We learn to spoken English. এটা অসম্ভব। It's impossible. এটা অসম্ভব। It's impossible. তুমি এটা পারবে। You can do it. তুমি এটা পারবে। You can do it. আমি জানি না। I don't know. আমি জানি না। I don't know. ওটা খুব খারাপ। That's too bad. ওটা খুব খারাপ। That's too bad. এটা বলা কঠিন। It's hard to say. এটা বলা কঠিন। It's hard to say.